A commission is a sum of money paid to an employee upon the completion of a task. It is typically represented as a percentage of the amount sold and serves as a portion of the total sales. In this lesson, we'll look at three different kinds: straight commission, graduated commission, and finally variable commission. Let's begin with the first. Straight commission is a pure sales-based earning with no fixed salary. Here's a scenario. A real estate agent earns a commission of 5%. If she sells a house for $300,000, how much commission will she earn? To answer this problem, we need to rely on the percent proportion formula, and we've used this in past videos. It works like this. You take the base value, which we represent as B, multiply it to the rate, or the percentage, made into a decimal. We'll represent that as R for rate. And when we multiply these two together, we get the portion, which in our case represents the amount of money the real estate agent will make, the commission. The base value here is $300,000. So we'll take $300,000, which is the cost of the home, and we'll multiply it by the rate of 5%. Now we can't use 5% as it is. We need to divide it by 100%. If we divide this value by 100, we end up with 0.05. So we'll multiply this by 0.05. And what we end up with, the answer, which is a portion of the 300,000, represents the commission. Using our calculator, we take 300,000, multiply it by 0.05, and we end up with 15,000. This means the real estate agent will earn $15,000 worth of commission given this sale. The second type is called graduated commission. A graduated commission uses different commission rates for different levels of net sales. For example, last month, Roni's net sales were $160,000. What is Roni's gross pay based on the following schedule? Up to $35,000 is 4%, excess of $35,000 to $45,000 is 6%, and over $45,000 is 8%. To answer this question, I like to use a simple number line. So he has made $160,000 worth of sales, and the first $35,000, let's say up to here, will be 4%. From $35,000 to $45,000, which is this small little pocket, I'll write down $45,000 right next to it, that's 6%. So up to $45,000, there are two tiers of commission. One is 4%, the other one is 6%. After $45,000, leading up to $160,000 is 8%. So to find out how much was made for the first $35,000, you simply take $35,000, and using the same formula as before, BR is equal to P, we take $35,000 and multiply it to the rate of 0.04. Let's use our calculator. 35,000 times 0.04 gives us 1,400. So that's how much you will earn in commission in the first 35,000. Then 10,000, which is the difference between 45 and 35,000, this part, will earn 6%. So the difference is 10,000, and we'll multiply that by 0.06. Let's do another calculation. 10,000 multiplied by 0.06 gives us 600. Now, from 45,000 to 160,000, the difference there is $115,000, right? Simply take that value and subtract from it 45,000 and you'll get 115,000. So we'll take $115,000 and multiply it by a rate of 0.08 using our calculator again. Ends up giving us 9,200. So to find out how much of the 160,000 goes into Roni's pocket, we simply sum up these values. We can use our calculator. That number plus 600 plus 1,400 gives us $11,200 worth of commission. And for the last kind that we'll be discussing in this video, we have variable commission. A variable commission scale uses different commission rates based on the types of items sold. So in this question, we have Adnan earns commission based on two types of sales: regular sales at a rate of 5% and highly desirable product sales at a rate of 15%. If Adnan sells 40,000 worth of regular sales and 10,000 of highly desirable products in one period, what is his gross pay under this setup? So we have $40,000 worth of regular sales. We'll use that as our base value and multiply it by the rate of 0.05 to find out how much he earns from that alone. From that alone, he earns $2,000. And he also sells $10,000 of highly desirable products. So again, we'll use the same formula, the percent proportion formula, and multiply that by a rate of 0.15 or 15%. We end up getting 1,500. Summing these up, we end up with a total commission of $3,500 for Adnan. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.